Sarah, look at the sun. It's perfect.
What time is it, honey?
It's 7:45. Let's start the mission.
Sunday breakfast mission? I'm in.
Stay quiet.
Supplies! Wake up, adventurers!
Oh, it's too early. Is it the pancake day?
Yes. And the forest trip day, too.
Okay, I'm getting up.
10 minutes for everyone to be ready.
I'll start the batter. Flour, eggs, milk.
It smells like a real Sunday already.
Can I put the blueberries in?
Go for it, little chef.
Do we have maple syrup, Mom?
Right there, Ben. Check it.
Found it. We are ready to eat.
Catch this one, Ben.
Nice move, Dad. This is delicious. Best Sunday ever.
Wait until we get to the Blue Lake.
All right, team. Packing time.
Okay, everyone, listen carefully.
Yes, Captain Mom.
Ben, get the fishing rods.
On it.
Lily, find the picnic blanket.
Okay, Mommy. I found it. Is it the yellow one?
Yes, the yellow one.
Car looks good. Plenty of gas.
Quick check. Sunscreen? Bug spray?
In my backpack.
Water bottles for everyone?
All here, Mom.
Did we pack the ham sandwiches?
Oh, cold and ready in the box.
Great, let's move out.
I want the window seat. Fine, I'll sit in the middle.
Blue Lake, here we come.
Let's have some music.
I love this song. Sunday mission, Blue Lake fun for everyone. Look at those tall trees.
That's the pine forest. We are close.
The air is getting so fresh.
Okay, we are here.
The lake is so blue, just like the name. Can we start fishing now, Dad?
Let's find a quiet spot first.
I'll stay here and read.
I want to draw the lake.
Watch closely, Ben.
Like this, Dad. Oh,
Perfect. Now, throw it slowly.
I did it! Look! A family of ducks!
Shh, don't scare them, Lily.
They are so cute and fluffy. Dad, I think I have something.
All right, easy now. Keep the tip up. Pull it slowly. Don't let it go. It's quite strong. Keep going. Almost there.
Say cheese, Ben.
Cheese! My first catch. Wow, Ben! You are a pro!
I'm proud of you, son.
It's 12:30. Picnic time?
I'm starving!
Let's release the fish first.
Bye, Mr. Fish!
Here you go. Ham and cheese.
Everything tastes better here.
This apple is so crunchy. The clouds look like sheep.
And that one looks like a dragon.
This is so peaceful.
Who wants to play soccer? Me! Me! I'll be the goalkeeper.
You are too small, Lily.
Watch me, Dad.
Ready? Here it comes.
Got it. See?
Okay, my turn to score.
You guys are like kids.
You're still fast, Dad.
Whew. I'm getting old.
Look, an ice cream truck. Can we, Mom? Please.
Well, it's Sunday.
Chocolate for me. I want strawberry.
2 scoops each, please.
This is the highlight of the day.
It's so cold and sweet. Lily, you have a white nose. Oops, is it gone?
It's 4 p.m. Should we walk a bit?
Let's explore the forest path.
Look, I found a walking stick. These leaves are so orange.
Because it's autumn, Lily.
Shh, listen. Do you hear that?
A woodpecker. Where is it? I can't see it.
High on that brown tree.
Huh?
The air smells like pine trees.
I'm the king of the world.
Oh, be careful, King Ben.
I'm a bit tired now.
You walked a lot today.
Let's head back to the car.
It's getting a bit dark.
Who wants pizza for dinner?
Me. Pepperoni. Extra cheese for me. Please.
Oh, Lily is almost asleep.
It was a big adventure for her.
We are back.
I'll take her to the sofa.
I'll help with the bags, Mom.
Thanks, Ben. You're a big help.
Yes, 1 pepperoni, 1 cheese.
Don't forget the salad.
Wow. Wow, it's still steaming. Is that pizza? I'm awake.
Pizza is like magic for Lily.
This is so cheesy and good. I love Sundays with my family.
We should do this every week.
Maybe next week we go to the beach?
Can I learn to surf?
Okay, kids. Bath time.
Can we watch a movie first?
Bath first, then a short movie.
I'm going first. No, me.
They still have so much energy.
It's a good kind of energy.
Everything is tidy now.
Finally, a moment of peace.
Want some tea, Sarah?
That would be lovely.
We are ready. Yay! Which movie, Dad?
How about Finding Nemo?
Yay! I love fish. I'm actually quite tired now.
Close your eyes if you want.
The ocean looks beautiful on TV.
Good night to the forest. Hello to the sea.
This is so cozy.